CES 2026. Sam, take a look at the Bosch booth, and I've got Deepan right here. Go ahead and tell me what we got going on right here.
Hey everyone, so we have the Bosch 800 series coffee machines here, and we also have the Bosch dishwashers here from 300s to 500s to 800s and the benchmark models. Okay. So that's what we have here. We also have a bunch of cooking products there and refrigeration products there, and we have the stick vacuums there as well. So we have a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, you really do. This is actually a fairly large booth. This thing must have cost a lot of money, even just with the products themselves.
No comment, but yeah, we're doing well.
Right. Okay, I love it. So tell me the difference between the dishwashers. You said that there was a couple of different models here. What could we expect?
So we have 4 different kinds of models here, actually, from 300s to 500s to 800s and benchmarks. As we move from 300s to the benchmarks, the features go up in washing and drying, quieter as we go. For example, in the 500 series that we have here, we launched in July of 2025, actually, a new technology called Zone Wash. Okay. So what that does is it's a spray arm that sits in the back left corner of your dishwasher. Okay. So for your greasiest pots and pans, let's say your lasagna dishes and stuff like that, in that zone it'll give you 3x more water power in that specific part of the dishwasher. So it gives you the flexibility to load as per your needs. Right. So that's something really cool we launched in July of 2025, and we have some really exciting things coming down the pipeline over the next couple of months as well.
That's something that you had in 2025. Where were we looking at for 2026? Q2, is that what you're doing?
I would say Q1, Q2, I would say. End of Q1, Q2, beginning, something like that, yeah.
So that sprayer in the back, that actually sounds really cool. The fact that you probably don't have to do as much pre-work on your dishes, you can just basically throw the thing right in.
The goal, as we've always said, we actively encourage you not to pre-rinse your dishes.
Oh, really?
Just scrape the food off, shove them in.
Yeah, I love
That's
that.
what you get with the Bosch dishwasher.
Okay. So tell me a little bit about these coffee machines. Yeah. You can do coffee, espresso, what all can these do?
They can do everything. So we have a bunch of options here right from the top here. We have like almost 27, 30 different kinds of coffees here, from your cappuccinos to macchiatos to just coffee as well. We get that a lot. Hey, that's all cool, but do you guys make just coffee? Sure. Yes, we do. And then we go to this section here called Coffee World. So that's coffees from around the world, basically, right? From different parts of the world, you know, different aspects of the milk involved in the world. So this is the milk tank right here, all right?
Oh, check that out.
Yeah, this is the milk tank here. This is the water tank here. Everything is detachable, comes right off. You know, it's really not a big deal. This is where the coffee beans are going here. Okay, so you put the coffee beans there. Really easy to clean, comes right off. You know, this is where the coffee waste, solid waste is. This is where the liquid waste goes. Put them back together, shove them in, that's it.
I love that.
You know?
So basically no cleanup. That's one of the big things about a hand-done espresso machine. You got a huge mess.
Yeah, but I mean, it's really easy to clean, and it also does have a descaling cycle, so that's also really, I mean, it really takes care of itself with minimum supervision.
Right.
Yeah.
I really want one of these now. Okay, you sold me on it.
These are the 800 series models, right?
Okay,
and that, yes, they're in the market right now.
Okay.
And one more cool thing about them, that you can speak to this through your Alexa and ask you to make your coffee, and it'll make it for you.
So you could be in bed and say, I want to have my coffee right by the time I get downstairs.
Yeah, as long as it has the milk. If your coffee wants milk, you know, milk and water and the beans, it'll make it for you.
That's incredible. I love that. What's the retail price expected for one of these guys?
For these, it's $2,500.
Oh, that's worth it, I think. Is that a cup heater there on the top?
Yeah, so we make all different kinds of coffees. Like I said, some of them with milk, some without. But the water has to be heated inside, right? Because the water comes in, gets heated, the beans come in, everything. So yeah.
Okay, awesome. It has been absolutely great. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.